At the upper right corner of the cable management tray, we recommend first inserting a cable tie and leaving a loop large enough to insert the fiber cable with connector through. There are 5 cable input holes in the cable management tray. You can use any one of the input holes for cable installation depending on your network environment. In this installation guide, we will use input hole A and B for demonstration. Fix the cable management tray to the wall using 3 screws. Do not over-tighten the screws as the plastic shell could be broken. Insert the cable connector through the wrap created by the cable tie. Wrap the excess fiber around the cable management system. Be sure that the cable is under both brackets. Leave about 13 to 14 centimeters long at the end of the SFP fiber optic cable and about 12 to 13 centimeters at the end of the RF fiber cable. Pull the cable firmly and tighten the cable tie. Cut the tie strap at the holder. The CATV-RF module has been pre-installed at the back of the device. There is no need for installation by the user. Remove the excess plate cover so that you can insert fiber transceiver and connect fiber optic cable. Then connect the CATV-RF cable to the CATV-RF module. With the unit loosely placed on the tray, pull the top away from the tray at about a 30-degree angle. This will allow access to the connector on the SFP. Pull the loose end of the fiber with the LC connector in the tray into the SFP. Make sure the LC connector is fully seated into the SFP and that there is just enough loose fiber to allow the unit to close on the fiber tray. Bring the unit back fully flush with the cable tray. Pull the unit down about 1 centimeter so that it is now locked with the fiber tray. Align the excess plate cover by hand into the 2 slots. Pinch the excess cover between the thumb and index finger as shown so that the latch on the cover is linked into the main unit. Insert the locking screw and tighten down until the flathead is just flush. Do not over-tighten or the screw could be easily stripped. Place the warranty sticker over the locking screw as shown. This screw must be removed first if the unit is to be opened or unmounted in the future. Now connect the power adapter cable to the device. When the device has not received an IP address from the DHCP server, the power LED indicator will blink once per second. Once the device receives DHCP IP address, the power LED will become solid green. Plug in any LAN cables as necessary.